This is one of the many pieces on show at this arts festival, a dance show about the history of the Xhosa culture. Many of the featured productions have a strong message behind them.
Okay, the production Zazi, which translates to Know Yourself, is a purely Ikusasa production, and the rationale behind the production is finding who we are as a Xhosa nation, our upbringing, our rituals, our tribes, and our customs. So what a better way to have this production in the Heritage Month.
90% of the ticket proceeds go straight to the artists, a relief for those battered by a hard lockdown period.
Since the past 2-3 years, we've felt the plunge as artists when it was COVID, there was no gigs, so we're happy that the festival is happening right now. Hopefully it's also in reaching other artists as well within the Bay, and also not just the artists but the community at large, because without the community there won't be any artists. So we're hoping that the festival is in reaching the communities in terms of employment and also other development programs which they might have in the future when it comes to artists and growing the industry.
The Metro believes that this festival will help get artists back on their feet.
They're feeling positive simply because it is an end product of the arts in Durban that we held, that the artists should be involved in their own future.
The festival is set to conclude on October 2nd. Kim Daniels, SABC News, Gqeberha.
To this now, scores of aircraft enthusiasts are continuing to flock to the Waterkloof Air Force Base in Pretoria on the last day of the Africa Aerospace and Defence Show. The 5-day event returned after a 2-year hiatus due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The show comprises of world-class air demonstration, mobility track demonstrations, parachute drops, aerobatic displays and other static displays from some of the biggest names in the aviation and defence industry. Several countries, including Germany, China and the US, are displaying their army equipment.